Simple Machines, a common craft style video by Hannah Wyman and Akela Lewin. Work is something that is always going on, and a lot of times people use machines to help get work done. What is work? Maybe doing your algebra homework seems like a lot of work, but actually, it isn't. Pushing your Mercedes out of a mud puddle, now that is work. Work is when a force is put upon an object, causing it to move in the same direction. To find work, you must go to McDonald's and fill out an application. To find another form of work, you multiply the force that is applied on an object and the distance through which the force is applied. Got it? Good. A machine is something that makes work easier, such as a drill, wheelbarrow, or stapler. Simple machines are the basic devices for applying force. They are the screw, the wheel and axle, the pulley, the inclined plane, the wedge, and the lever. So when you try to change the tire on your truck, you can use a car jack and do less work. Now let's focus on levers. A lever has a bar that pivots at a fixed point called the fulcrum. They are used to apply a force to a load. There are 3 different types of levers: first, second, and third class. Let's focus on the first class levers. These levers have a fulcrum between the input force and the load. They also always change the direction of the input force. When you use a hammer to get a nail out, then you are using the first class lever. What about when you're trying to give your little sister a haircut with scissors? That is also a first class lever. The mechanical advantage in a nutshell is the number of times a machine multiplies your effort force. To find the MA, you can divide the output force by the input force. MA equals output divided by input. When the fulcrum is closer to the load than to the input force, it has a mechanical advantage greater than 1. When the fulcrum is exactly in the middle, it has a mechanical advantage of 1. When the fulcrum is closer to the input force than the load, it has a mechanical advantage less than 1. Work is done every day because of the machines and the mechanical advantages. Work is made easier for you, so then you don't have to pull apart wood with your bare hands, like Chuck Norris.